Hi, one and all present here. This is Surya, working as an assistant professor, Dr.SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. And here we are going to see about the topic of error detection. What is error and what is detection? We know what is error. Already we have saw different types of errors, right? Detection. To reduce the errors, we are going to see about what are the possibilities. And these possibilities will help us to error detection. Okay. And error detection is a critical process in data communication. Each and every storage system has different integrity, right? And each and every reliability that is transmitted and stored data, right? Here we can use to detect the errors during the data transmission or while storing, identifying and correcting the corrected data. Okay. One common error detected method is party bits. And party bits are additional bits that added data to enable error detection. There are two types of party bits. First one is even and second one is odd. Even party, it's nothing but ones in the data. And this party bit is always even. In odd, the number is ones in the data and the party bit is always odd. Okay? And you know what is detection, right? The critical process, the communication with the storage, ensure the integrities, right? The transmitted data or storage, that errors should be rectified with proper knobs. And let me see, we have 4-bit data sequence. 1011, that is binary number. You know 1 is binary and 0 is also a binary. And a bit to implement each and every parties, even parties. The total number is ones even. And the odd also, it's ones even with a sequence of 3. Here we can go along with the total number of 1. Original data, that is 1011, and the party bit, the even will be reflect as 1. And the data party bits will reflect as 10111. The errors occurs during the transmission or storage. 1 bit flipped and the third bit comes to 120. And the new data, that should be 10011. Okay, here we have see the binary numbers, how to rectify the error detection. If you are making an error in a programming, we can rectify through the different codes or anything, right? So that code should be perfect with a perfect manner and it should related to the program too. Okay, and here we can see the sender and receiver points. The transmission media is between that sender and receiver, and the sender have been forwarded the binary number and compute the party bits, and the party bits has been installed, that is even or odd, and it's transmitted media, it's passed to transmission media and computed the party bits, and it's move along with the even. If it is even, it goes accept data. If it is not even, okay, it rejected data, it's received to the receiver only if it is yes alone. So here we can see the different processes, what and how it process, how the process has been done through the systematically, right? It's very even to all, so order or partial or even partial too. And we can receive each and every data sequence. It calculates and parity bits based on the receiver data. It does not bits matches to the parity bits. Receiver party bits also an error is detected, and the receiver should identify the error, and he need to provide the solution for the each and every data transmission, like party bits data communication, flag errors too. And here the retransmission of data or other error corrections mechanism to ensure the accuracy of reliability. What's the meaning of accuracy? Perfect, right? It should be perfect without any other errors too. And here we can see the sender and receiver again, and the encoder and decoder. The message has been generated and the message has been rendered, and unreliability has been transmitted to the receiver. The receiver information, they have been checked and it has been corrected or discarded, and it forwarded to the receiver to the message, right? So you can know what has been done inside the sender and the receiver, right? Encoder and the decoder, right? You can understand. And we can go along with the human errors, for example. if the human is making an error, we can change through their parents or else college teachers or school teachers or anyone. So everyone has an error and each and everything has a deduction, right? So thank you all.